So now what I'm doing here is I'm recording natively within Stream. So I don't actually have to do anything in particular. I'm in Stream already. I go to create. The fourth option is record or something. And so what I'm doing here is more or less what I do with all of my video recording things if I'm using slides, but obviously and importantly, you can actually move around the video, which is something you can't do in PowerPoint, for example. So for an example, if I was presenting on this section, I could say, okay, here are some little examples of daily check-ins. If you look to the bottom right, here it is here. And then I could say, okay, now I'm finished with daily check-ins, which is an interface and something I hope you're familiar with if you ever had to run or tried running a Kahoot online. Often your video's in the way, so you have to sort of move your Teams section out of the way. So other than that, you just set up the same way that you share your screen in Teams. It gives you the windows and so forth. It's really useful to use and hot off the press, brand new as of today, I believe. So give it a go.